How to fix media lost or not found error on CapCut. So hello guys, if you're also getting such error on your CapCut, so this is probably because of the file change or directory change of your files or videos which you were using previously or while editing on CapCut. So to fix that issue, it's pretty simple. You can just head over to that particular video where your video is not found. So that basically means CapCut is not being able to find that video because you must have changed it or the files must have been altered. So what you need to do is just make sure you have selected or found the previous videos in the correct folder and correct directory. Once you make sure of that, you will be automatically import a new video just like this and where your existing location which you just found. So let me just show you that I found my previous video which I was not looking. That is, I have same video over here which is of different name, so that was probably the issue. So I will simply select this new video instead of selecting that old video, so which is after I changed the location from one file to another folder. So once I find the real file or video just like this, I will simply drag and drop it over here. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.